You're staring at a wall and wondering if the drywall is actually thick enough, or if you're about to buy the wrong sheet and regret it later. I've seen that happen a lot, especially when people assume all drywall is basically the same. It isn't. We're going to walk through the common thicknesses, where each one makes sense, and the trade-offs that matter, so you can pick the right board for the room, the span, and the job. I've pulled 1/4-inch drywall out of a box more times than I can count, and it's really a specialty sheet. It's best for covering curved walls, patching over old plaster, or bending around tight spots. The trade-off is simple. It's flimsy and not meant for normal walls, so people get burned when they try to use it everywhere. A lot of people think 3/8-inch drywall is a middle ground for everything, but it really shows up in older homes and light retrofit work. It's thinner than standard 1/2-inch drywall, so it's easier to handle, yet it still isn't my pick for most new walls. The catch is rigidity, because it can feel a little soft if the framing isn't perfect. This is the one most homeowners mean when they ask about standard drywall thickness, and for good reason. 1/2-inch drywall works for most interior walls, gives decent stiffness, and hangs without making the room feel heavy. The mistake I see is assuming every wall needs something thicker, when most bedrooms and living spaces are perfectly fine with this size. When fire rating matters, 5/8 drywall is the heavier sheet I reach for, especially on ceilings, garages, and shared walls. It's thicker, denser, and slower to burn through, but it costs more and weighs more, so people who buy it for every room usually overdo it. The real benefit is protection where code or safety actually calls for it. For most homes, 1/2-inch standard drywall is the right call. It's the usual sweet spot for walls. It's easier to work with, and it doesn't create problems you don't need. Use 5/8-inch when fire rating, stiffness, or sound control matters more. If this helped, subscribe, like the video, and visit omnihomeideas.com for the full guide. I'm Brad Smith, and I'd rather you buy the right sheet once than patch the wrong one twice.